Hi guys. I've been away for so long, it kind of feels weird being back in front of the camera again. How are y'all? This time we got a makeup tutorial. So to prep my skin, I'm just gonna get started with some new skin product I've been using. And this is, I can't even see it, Rosewater and Company. This is those nails. Well, this is a rose hip oil serum, and it has cranberry and acai extract, and I just do 1, 2, 3, 4 drops. Gonna pat this into the skin. I know I usually just do get ready with me style videos, but I figured since I decided to be gone for like a damn month, why not come back? And I just decided to just talk to you guys. It's using this Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream. Ooh. So I really don't even have an explanation for why I was gone. I just was going through a lot, and I know people say that all the time, but it's the truth. People go through things. A primer. I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer. Yeah. And I tell y'all, this right here, if you got the Fenty foundation and you didn't really like it, you have to go get the primer. As I'm sitting here doing my makeup, I'm just trying to think of like, what's the real reason I wasn't making videos? Like, what's the reason? And I guess the real reason is like, I just really wasn't feeling inspired. I really wasn't feeling motivated to get up here and do videos. Like, you know, I didn't feel like people were really watching. People weren't really subscribing. I just really haven't been able to see the growth in my channel, and I just feel like I've been putting in a lot of effort, a lot of money, a lot of time. Like, I really like doing this, but like, it's just, I don't want to waste my time on. As I was off, I was still getting notifications, and even though I wasn't posting videos, I was still getting subscribers, I was still getting comments, I was still getting views. Like, still happening for me. So I was like, let me just get my shit together, stop being a little punk, and do it. Like, stop playing these games, because I know I really wanted to do it. If I told y'all my YouTube story, you'll understand like my passion for this shit, like, and why I keep coming back. Right now I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shade Tape and Tan Sand by itself, because it's just like gonna make the colors pop, because it's way lighter than my skin. So cute. So I'm gonna do a look with this. Then I'm also, I want to try to use either this blue right here or this blue. We'll see. I'm gonna do like a pink and teal. We'll see. This palette, I'm gonna go into this color right here, and this one is called Pukey, and I'm gonna use that as a transition shade right there. So yeah, what can we talk about? Can't really give y'all a life update because I don't have nothing to update y'all on. I know I see people do chit chat, get ready with me life update, but ain't shit to update y'all on. I'm gonna be moving soon. Still living in New York, but gonna be moving soon. When I mean soon, by like the end of the month. My birthday's coming up. Beyonce slayed Coachella. So did Cardi B. Nicki Minaj released some fire. Drake released some fire. Like, alright. Can somebody leave a comment below and tell me how long I was going? Because so much has happened. Oh, and I'm using a MAC 224. And I'm using this orange color right here. Windshield wiper motions, and like just flicking this out like outward towards my hair. You know? You know? I found it. So I'm gonna take NYX eyeshadow base. And I'm gonna go back into this palette and use that color right here in the middle called Sunset. It's a pink. Fairy Tale right here, called Fairy Tale, and I'm gonna use that on the outer corner. Really feel like cream contouring today, and if this is really a spring makeup look, you want to put the least amount of product on your face as possible. So for concealer, we're gonna use deep torch shape tape. Gonna get in where you fit in, sister. On top of that, I like to use LA Pro Girl and Fawn, because LA Pro Girl by itself likes to have a crease party. I don't know how I ever use that by itself. It literally, whenever I use it by itself, it's like a crease freaking parade under my eyes. And I'm just like, why, shawty? Let me tell you something. When I'm thinking about using that blue, like I said at the beginning of the video. But when I tell you, when I first got into makeup, that blue was like my signature. I used to have my blue eyeliner going and my waterline. What you was saying? Monica Style Muse voice. What you was saying now? Oh, okay. Get the lace front, sis. What you was saying? What you was saying? Oh, I'm gonna go back in with the air spun under my eye. And just set that with this brush. You know, I gotta get my nose because she be wanting to sweat. Should I do it? Should I do it? Should I do the blue? I don't think I'm gonna do it. Jada, this one. I'm just going there. It's Cinco de Mayo. Let's have some fun. Can you see? This one is called Pool Party. So it's like the shimmery version of the one I just used. I'm gonna put that on the inner. Do y'all see this? My fucking nose. Can somebody DM me ways to stop your nose from sweating? Do I look like a damn flamingo? Good tissue. See? Straight sweat. For the inner corner, I'm going to use this shade right here. And it's called Fairy Tale. And it's like a rose. I'm gonna put that in the inner corner on the top half. Hopefully I look cute when I put the lashes on, cause what? I'm about to just leave this right here because I can't with the fucking nose sweating, okay? Using this Real Techniques 100 number 100 brush. That's for my bronzer. Contour and highlight. I'm gonna use the Ray Ray palette, and I'm gonna literally use like the smallest amount for this shit. When I tell you it's so pigmented. See? The mix is the two darker ones, so I usually put French toast down, and to just add a pop I put Radiant, which is the one in the middle, on top. Been liking to do is take this one that we use in the crease called Spice and use that as a blush. So that dark orange right there, and I use it on the brush like so. And I just kind of just tap it in there, get it all on the brush, tap off the excess, and just I just have a lot of powder, so I just go ham. My beauty blender, just go in, press it in, make sure everything is blended out. NYX Suede matte lip liner in the shade. We're gonna load this on Juicy. Okay, boo, so this is the final look. If you want to see how I styled my hair, please check out my full review on this hair. This is the Your Royale version hair. I think it's, I don't know, something loose wave. I know it's not Brazilian. It might be, I don't know. But yeah, this is the final makeup look. Everything that I use will be listed in the description bar below. Please do not forget to follow me on social medias. I'm sorry if I hurt anybody's feelings for being gone that long. Even though I know I'm not nobody special and y'all ain't really miss me for real like that. But alright, sis. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
Real one in your reflection, without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these niggas. You gotta be nice for what to these niggas? I understand. You got 100 bands, you got a baby bands, you got some bad friends. High school pics, you was even bad then. You ain't stressing off no lover in the past tense. You already had them. Work 8 a.m. Finish round 5, hoes talk down, you don't see them outside. Yeah, they don't really be the same offline. You know dog days.